The Battle of Dograi, one of the bloodiest battles in Indian military history, was fought at the town of Dograi near Lahore. First with the guns and grenades, then with the bayonets, and finally with the bare hands on the dark night of September 21, 1965, between the soldiers of Indian Army 3 Jat and Pakistani 16 Punjab. Pakistan had developed a canal in this sector for the defense of Lahore, which is popularly known as Akoganal Canal. Grand Trunk Road connecting Amritsar and Lahore cut across it near Dograi. Capture of Dograi and the bridges on the canal were important for the Indian Army to reach the Lahore. The task allocated to 11 corps was threefold: destruction of enemy force, advance to the Akoganal, and prepare to advance to Lahore. 3 Jat, which formed a part of 54th Infantry Brigade, were allotted to the task of capturing Gosal Dare. 3 Jat advanced at 400 hours on 6th September and, having a surprised enemy, captured Gosal Dare. Commander 54 Infantry Brigade then ordered the commanding officer of 3 Jat, Lieutenant Colonel Deshmand Aide, to take on the task of 15 Dogra. Deshmand Aide launched his battalion without any hesitation and captured the bridge on the Grand Trunk Road by 11:30 hours. Pakistan reacted to the success of 3 Jat violently. Airstrikes were launched on 3 Jat, resulted in the loss of anti-tank weapons. A number of administrative vehicles of the battalion were destroyed due to this strafing. As a result, a success of battalion was evidently not appreciated by the higher commanders. Thus, commanding officer of 3 Jat requested the brigade HQ to push forward anti-tank weapons and reorganization of the stores. The 3 Jat had another opportunity to capture the same objective, Dograi. Several attempts were made by Indians to capture Dograi up to the September 12th. But the Pakistani army, after getting reinforced, countered all the attacks. Meanwhile, PAF, Pakistan Air Force, made the advance of Indian soldiers difficult. एक भी आदमी पीछे नहीं नातेगा, जिंदा या मुर्दा डोगरा में मिलना है, shouted Deshmand Aide before the final attempt to capture Dograi. In the next phase of operation, 54 Infantry Brigade under Brigadier Niranjan Singh MC was ordered to advance up to the Akoganal astride, the Grand Trunk Road, for which the capture of Dograi was essential. 54 Infantry Brigade undertook aggressive patrolling and domination of no man's land during the preparatory period from 13 and 20 September. The intensity of fighting was evident with 58 killed, including 3 officers and 4 JCOs, and 205 wounded, including 5 officers and 7 JCOs. 3 Jat was tasked to have captured Dograi in phase 2nd of attack to be launched at 1:30 hours on 22nd September. Evident that interim fortnight from 7th September, when the 3 Jat has abandoned the positions, to 20 September had been utilized by the Pakistani forces to build up the strong defense in Dograi. The 3 Jat suffered heavy casualties in the operations, which included 58 killed and 157 wounded, while on Pakistani side, toll stood at 247 dead. Normal ratio in an attack operations in the plain sector is 3:1. 3 Jat attacked on highly adverse 2:1 ratio with of 16 Punjab. Success was achieved through the sheer grit and determination and at the cost of heavy losses. But resultant victory ensured that Grand Trunk Road access was fully secured till ceasefire was called. Frijat, under the inspiring leadership of Lieutenant Colonel Deshmand Aide, recaptured the Dogra on 22nd September and held it despite repeated counterattacks by the enemy. In 1965, Frijat proved that battles can be won by determined leadership, high degree of regimental motivation, and boundless energy to close in with the enemy. Later, Major General Mohinder Singh JOC 15 Infantry Division, Lieutenant Colonel Deshmand Aide Commanding Officer of Frijat, Captain Kapit Singh Thapa Frijat were awarded Mahavir Chakra, the second highest gallantry award. As in Dogra, cultivating